Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer. The next thing you want to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you want to do is to go to sound and vibration. Then go ahead and click on ringtone. Then scroll down right here until you get to add ringtone. Then go ahead and select the song that you want to use as a ringtone. I will click on my file manager right here. Then here we go. These are all sound I have right here on my Android phone. Next thing you want to do is to simply select anyone you want to use right here. So I'm going to select this and I'll click on done. And it will automatically be added into your ringtone list right here. Here we go. You have it right here. Once you have the ringtone, for you to use it as your ringtone, simply click on this particular button right here. It's as simple as that. So for it, it's that simple. So you can it's as simple as that. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.